Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel Excel with Latif. Today I'm going to show you a trick with data sets. Many a times we encounter data with blank cells in between, which we want to fill with data which is just above it. So as you can see in this pivot table, if I want to further summarize this pivot table or convert this pivot table data as a flat file, I would want to fill these blank cells with the data which is just above these blank cells. So I'll tell you what I'm trying to achieve. I want to fill these cells, these ones, with Jan 17, then these ones desktop, these ones as laptop, these ones as phone. So in this way I want to fill the entire table, all the blank cells, with the data which is just above it. One way of course is you can do this manually. You can copy Jan 17 and desktop, laptop, etc. and paste the data onto the blank cells, but which is actually not recommended because this is a very simple and a small pivot table or a data set. Assume if you are working with a large data set, doing things manually can be very tedious, so it is actually not recommended. But there's one way which is very simple to fill these blank cells. So let's go ahead and explore this easy way. So the first step is to copy this entire table onto another sheet, which I have already done on sheet 3 here. Once you have copied and pasted the data, press F5, which brings up this go to window. Click on special here, click on blanks. So basically what we are trying to do is we are trying to select entire blank cells in this data set. You can also click on shortcuts which select all the blank cells in the data set. So once you have selected blanks, click OK. This will select all the blank cells in the data set. Now once you have done this, be very careful. Do not click anywhere on the data set or anywhere on the sheet. Just press equal to on the keyboard, the same way as you start writing a formula, and then give reference of the cell which is just above you have typed equal to. In my case it is C3. I will select this once, so it puts a formula is equal to C3. Once you have done that, press Control and enter. Control first and then enter. That's it. So in this way we have filled all the blank cells with the data which is just above it. Now if you see, this has actually created a formula which references the cell above it. So to convert this, you can copy and paste this data as a paste special values, and which will convert this into a flat file. So if you see, the entire pivot table or the data set, all the blank cells have gone and it has replaced with meaningful data in it. I hope this piece of information comes handy to you. Thank you.